Today I'm making 4th of July ice cream sandwiches. First I'm going to make the vanilla ice cream, so in a bowl I have 1 cup of heavy cream and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Next I'm going to mix that up until stiff peaks form. Then I'm going to add half a can of sweetened condensed milk and fold that in. Then I'm going to cover this up and put this in the freezer overnight. Next I'm going to make the chocolate chip cookie, so on a lined cookie sheet I'm going to add chocolate chip cookie dough. Then I'm going to add some red, white, and blue M&Ms on each cookie and then bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. Once the cookies are cooled, I added them to a tray. Now I'm going to add a scoop or 2 of the vanilla ice cream on each cookie and then add another cookie on top. Here's an up close look at the 4th of July ice cream sandwiches.